All right, y'all, welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show. We got another episode for you today. We're going to show you how we go about getting these tight corners down here, getting them fanned out. Tom, wants you give them a once around the room so they can see. And again, if you didn't catch our last video, we showed you, not only showed you, but we showed you why we actually round all these corners in a room. It helps with the roller. It helps Tom when he comes behind me and rolls. If they are kind of squared up, it makes it harder for him to get that roller up there by the ceiling. Those are 9-foot ceilings. You don't want to bump the ceiling. Well, kind of reverse that. Down here at the bottom, I curve those as well because, you know, we don't want to ever bump the baseboard. So now I'm going to show you how we go about it. Easy way to get these corners. It takes just a little bit of finesse. The more you do it, the quicker you'll get at it. But again, when you're the cut guy, you come up with creative ways of doing stuff. When you're the roll guy, you know, we kind of bounce off each other. And I don't want to have Tom come in here bumping everything due to how I cut the wall. And, you know, so on and so on. So the easiest way that I can show you to go about getting these, I got paint right here on my brush. And it's a very easy, quick process. I'm going to put that brush right down here in the corner. And look, I'm going to get the majority off. Reach back down there and touch that corner, and I'm going to go ahead and drag that away. Then I'm going to bring that out just like so. It's streaked a little bit right through here. That's okay, because when I go to get this, that is how I bring that down and make that pretty corner, and then I get those little bit of streaks to go away. So just that quick, that side's done. We're going to reverse that over here. Come straight up. Now that the paint's off, reach down there, grab that corner, pull it away, and just feather out these little edges right there. Then when I go to come up, grab that in the corner, I'm gonna round that guy, and then just feather that right out. Just like that, very quick, very fast, dark color and all, and it just makes painting, Tom coming behind me with the roller, it just makes that a breeze. So hope this helps you at home, and like always, we'll see you back with the next one.